How do you add units to your groups? In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that and how to leverage it for success of your Facebook groups. Coming right up. Groups can be an awesome way to engage your audience, but most marketeers are missing the mark on this. Today, we're gonna take a deep dive into it, and I'm gonna show you all that you need to know about how to leverage units in your Facebook group. But stay tuned to the end, because I'm also gonna show you how the Facebook group analytics can help show you how effective your units are. Okay, so what is a unit? Good question, I'm glad you asked. Units are this really cool way to organize your content in your Facebook group. Have you ever been stuck at that time where someone asks a question, maybe it's for like the 10th time, and you've already answered it so many times, and you go to the search bar and you're trying to like look it up, and then you can't find it, so then you spend 10 minutes answering their questions? Well, this is exactly what units helps you solve, because you can take those actual posts or those questions and add them to a unit. Don't forget that in order to have units, you have to have a social learning group. So let me show you what that looks like. So over here, we're at the Social Media Marketing Society, members only. Unit 1, they have society, resources, and links. So you can see that there are 6 things in here, and they're quick links or schedules coming up or the special trainings that they have. Unit 2, they use for recent social media news. So sometimes there's like new news that has come out. Let's just kind of grab a comment from here, and let's just say this is one that we wanted to add to the unit. So I'm gonna go up to this caret up here, and we're gonna go down here and it's gonna say add to the unit. I could either add a new unit if I felt like it needed a new topic, or I could add it to something. So maybe it goes under society, resources, and links, recent social media news, member recommendations, or live training and discussion threads. As a moderator, if I'm trying to say, oh, you wanna see what the latest news is on LinkedIn, go to the units and see where the LinkedIn news is. And you can get the most up to date without having to search through the whole entire thing. So we saw how the society uses units. I'm gonna show you how I use it in my monthly mastermind. This is a paid group, but this is how I help provide my members with extra value. So here inside the units, we have a getting started unit. That's the first one. And right here, you can see where there's a little icon. It looks like it's a video, because it is. Or it looks like there's a link to something. And so you can kind of see what content you're gonna get just by the little icons here. The next unit is website. The next unit is management and leadership. And the way that I've decided to do all of these is basically every month we have a different topic that we talk about. I created a unit for every single month in order to recall it or be like, oh, we talked about that in March. Go back to the units and check it out. Then they can see it all right there. It's not like going on a needle in a haystack hunt. Now, let me show you how one more company uses it, and that's Molly Mahoney. We're in Camera Confidence, members only. If you go into Unit 6, this bonus training, she uses this to deliver trainings. There's actually a series of pictures. What she's doing here is she is presenting it with an image, with a cover, if you will, and then adding the link to it that she can constantly be uploading. So it's almost like a storybook. Before we get into group unit analytics, I want to quickly recap all the different ways that we just saw that you could use units. You could use it as a information seeker like the society did. You can use it as a way to correlate all the different topics that your group talks about, like my mastermind did. Or you could use it as a way to deliver trainings like Molly Mahoney did. Are you ready to see the data? These insights are especially important and interesting because you can kind of see what things are resonating with your people. The insights are gonna actually show you that because you can see how many times something's been viewed. So inside, you just click Group Insights, and right here is gonna show you all of the units, the name of the units, and how many completions, people that have actually gone through them. So right here, we can see that these are highly valuable because there's people that have actually searched through them. And then we can see what are not valuable. Perhaps you have that one person that says, I don't like what you're giving, or you're not giving enough information. Well, I'll tell you a little secret here. Although you can't actually see all the people who have seen the different individual units, you can search by a member to see if or what they have seen. Let's just search my own name because I am a part of this. You can see that I have not seen any of these. So how could I sit there and complain if I actually haven't even opened any of these? Either it means that people know how to use them and they use them, or it means that we need to help train them on it. If I could offer you one tip, that would be for you or your moderators to really teach your members how to use the units. That means when someone asks a question that you know has been answered before, instead of you going to the search and trying to search it for them, which yes, might be great customer service, you also can direct them and say something like, for faster reference, check out the units X. Or you could deliver them that information and then say, if you're ever looking for this again, it's really easy to find it by going to units, caret symbol, and then whatever that unit was called. And in addition to training your existing members on how to use it, if you're doing some sort of a paid group, it's also a really great value proposition that you may not have considered. Saying something like, join our group for XYZ, and also easily access or previous topics or previous trainings. If you think about it, one of the reasons why people don't like Facebook groups or Facebook is because they say they never see things or they're always losing it. And that is the one problem that units really do solve for you, the moderator, for your group members, and for potential incoming members. It adds so much value. Units are just one way to connect, grow, and engage your community. There's lots of other ways. So we've created an entire playlist here for you to show you all the different ways. This stuff is amazing, and I can't wait to see you over there.